So, hello. I have today for you some new computer hardware content. So, I got a new case. This is something that I really like. It's very nice. And I'm just going to be doing an unboxing. It's already out of the box, obviously, but I'm just going to be having a quick little look around and just give some quick initial thoughts. And I'm going to be building my computer into it soon, and I'll have some videos about that too. But for now, just a quick look. So, I got it in the white color and silver. This is a nice silver aluminum here. The only thing I don't like about the white version completely is the foot, how it's black around the edges of the glass, and then silver here, and then just a little bit of white along here from the feet panel. I don't super love this, but it's not super bad either. I like the way the inside looks in white, and obviously it's not super bright right now either. But I'll give you, that's probably a better look right there. So the top is a nice panel, and it's got a nice grill in it. You slide the top off, and then all of the other panels slide up to come off. There's a 360 mounting or 3 fans here, and there's a magnetic fan filter underneath. Same with here. You can put 2 drives in the little caddies, or you can put a vertical GPU mount there and screw it into the bottom, or you can put 3 fans or a 360 radiator in the bottom, and there's another magnetic filter there. Then around the back, very nice looking dual chamber. Obviously, you've got the power supply here, or you can put the power supply here, and there's an interchangeable or removable drive cage here with 2 sleds, and you can put a couple of 3.5 or 2.5 drives here as well. And then the top just slots off like this and comes up, and there's a nice little just like a little metal nub, and those nubs just slot in, and then there's a screw. One thing I know straight away was the screws are pretty short, and they also are pointy, so they actually barely even make it into the hole. So I may end up getting a longer screw for that. Anyways, so I guess I'll leave that off for a second. Now, so the back has 2 sections of mesh. Obviously this one is for the power supply, wherever you would put it, and the rads or the fans. And you slide off. Same system here. Grills, magnetic grills, and similar nubs you can see. And then that's the caddy that can come out. That's the front buttons and stuff. The front connections. And this here, you can screw 2 more drives in, a 2.5 here, and a 2.5 or a 3.5 here. This comes off, and all of the cabling and stuff gets hidden behind here. And then all of the pass-throughs and stuff are here, the rubber grommets and stuff, obviously. The glass panel. The glass panel has foam around the edges for vibration, dampening, and a better fit. And there's the nice caddies there. And everything's looking really nice on the inside. And yeah, it looks great. And then same with the front here. You can just slide up and off, just like that. And the front is the same way. Nice glass with foam. And then that just slots right in like that. And the nice thing about that mounting system is that you don't have any external screws showing. And you don't have to hold it in place while you try to screw screws in. So that's a cleaner look and an easy way to do it. Good idea. And of course this system was designed by the professional overclocker Deep Hour. Alright, well there you go. I'm going to be doing a build. I'm going to be not doing a whole new build, but just the build that I had in my Lian Li PC A4 case. I'm going to be building that into this case, and I'll have a video about that a little bit later.